Good morning, traders. This is Murphy FX. So today I'm gonna make some top-down analysis on cable, which is GBP, gold, and US30, both short-term and long-term trade. So let's go to our charts. Remember, this is my live account. So let's go to our charts. Firstly, let's go to cable. This is the GBPUSD. If you remember, I make a call last week for that is a buy call. So unfortunately, I make the call from this very level here. Let's start this level here. And if you take a look at this trade, it hits our TP1 before heading down to the downside, So now it's making some ranges, you understand? But now that is not where I'm really going to. Let's start from our daily time frame. Now, if you take a look at these charts on daily time frame, you will see that the overall trend now is bearish. So from the starts of here, that's been bearish from the high of that was July, around July 13th. That's been down. GBP has been down as at July 13th till date. You understand? So now, where is it heading to? That is the question. Where is the cable heading to? Remember, any analysis you made on cable here, GBPUSD, the same analysis to EUR/USD and then AUD/USD. So these three pairs are correlated, you understand, except if there is divergence in any of the pairs. So, and what is divergence? Divergence means if that is a change in currency pair correlation. Like if GBP is selling now, AUD may be buying, you understand? That is divergence, you understand? But most of the time they are correlated. So that is what's called divergence. So now let's so if I made analysis on GBPUSD, I will use this same analysis to trade both EUR/USD and then Aussie dollar. Now the overall trend right now is bearish, right? Now I'm looking at this as I'm looking at this trade now. The point of interest is at this level, this area here. That is our point of interest. Do you understand? So that means the bearish trend is still what? Is still inactive, but it is a long-term trade. It is not a short-term trade. This is a long-term trade. Anything that is making you analyzing on daily time frame is a long-time trade. You understand? It's a trade that you could hold for like 2 weeks, like 3 weeks, or even 1 month, minimum of 1 week. You understand? Or if at all, 3 days. That is what's called long-term trade. So that's a trade that you will not have choice than to swing it. And we have a lot of patience. You understand? Looking at it running. Do you understand? So now, but as I'm looking at this, do you understand? We have 2 special places that are point of interest. The first one is what is area of 1.21, which is ranging right now. Do you understand? This area, this marked area, you understand, our structure, our main structure. Do you understand? So the market, there is an 80% probability that the market will not be able to break this price area, this price level. Do you understand? That is 1.20398. So the price may fail to break this level. Do you understand? Then we have 50% probability that the price will break this level and come back to this level. That was where the bullish trend started. That was on February. That was February low. So this started on February, that is February 6th to this level, to June. So the market was trended from that February to June. I mean, to July 14th. So from July 14th, that started trending down again. It's coming back to the low of February. Are you getting me? But now, you see, around a trend, there is a structure. And this is what you need to know in the financial markets. Structure, very, very important. We have major structure and we have minor structure. Now, a major structure, you will only see a major structure on higher time frame. Then a major structure is a place where supports become resistant or resistance become support, where the trend has tested a particular price, where the trend has tested multiple times. That is what's called our structure. So that is the structure area. Now, if you take a look at where I market, which our is a price at 1.205, you will see that the structure created here around November 18. Then this same structure rejected this area. Are you getting me? It's rejected here, tested here, tested here, tested here, and currently is testing that same area. That is our market structure. Do you understand? There is 80% chance that this structure may not be broken because it has been tested multiple times. It has been tested multiple times. So anything that make this thing got broken down is going to this, the market is definitely going to this area. So your long-time trader now is that you are waiting for this this structure to get broken. Once it is broken, then you can go to your lower time frame, look for a pullback, a retest. You understand? A kind of retest, because it will break it, then retest it before going back, before coming down, because that support must become resistant again. Do you understand? That support must become resistant again. So that means if it go like this, something like this, the price, you can see a kind of rejection here. So the market is telling you that I cannot break this level. I'm weak. I can't break this level. I need more orders in order to break the level. So it's rejected here, and it also rejected it here. Do you understand? So a kind of double bottom right now. You see that? Yeah, a kind of double bottom. So which is telling us that short time, we are the buyers are in, they are in control right now. Currently, the buyers are in control, but the sellers are still in control. But most sellers already taking their profits, so they're already getting out of the market. Listen, so right now the market is in sideways, a kind of range. Do you understand? But despite being in a sideways, it still gives you rejection. The first rejection here is second rejection. Are you getting me? That is a very, 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 very critical level to make sure that we are very careful before making any trading decision. Because now let's talk about the bullish. We already said that if it's break this area, right? I'm expecting a kind of break here, right? Then come back to this same level here, right? Then before heading down. That is what I'm expecting. That is what I want to see before taking a sell. Do you understand? Remember, this is higher time frame. You understand? This little thing that I draw here may give you like 70 pips in lower time frame. So people don't understand the higher time frame and the lower time frame. They don't understand it. If you don't understand this time frame, it will be very, very difficult to trade, and profit in the financial market. You need to understand how they work, how they run. Do you understand? So we already said that the overall trend is bearish. But we are at a very critical level right now, at a very critical zone, a very important zone that we need to be very, very careful before taking another sell. So because there's 80% probability that the market could return back up to this price area. Because anything that make the market rejected this level now and go up, it will break this minor, because this is minor structure. This is minor structure, because if you take a look at the structure, look to the left here, there is no activities. You understand? There is no activities that back up these two rejection here. Are you getting me? So that back up these two rejection, except if you go to the lower time frame, you can see an activity that back up these two rejection. So it's a shorter trend. Do you understand? It's a shorter short-term trade. Just it's a short-term rejection. So there is no, looking to the left, there is no any activities here. So the market make a drawdown, a very drastic drawdown to this area, and before rejecting this level. So I think he's trying to reject this area. He's trying to reject this very price area, but it's already rejected. So it's none of our business with it. So where we are looking for right now is this. So if the market make a pullback here, at least market will get to this area before making any decision, either to change direction or to continue. So now let's go back to our 4 hours time frame. Remember, a swing trade, I can swing a trade, I can scalp a trade, and I can day trade. So depending on what the market is telling me to do, and depending on what my bias is telling me, and depending on the my trading strategy that I'm using at one particular day, because you cannot have one trading strategy. Are you getting me? Because the market is very, very dynamic. You understand? Okay, then let me say you cannot have it. You can actually have one trading strategy, but you need to wait. You need to wait in a very period of time before your particular style will come. You need to be patient. But a kind of trader like me, I have strategy for scalping, I have strategy for day trade, I have strategy for swing trade. So when the market is telling me to swing, I swing. When the market is telling me to day trade, just take this trade and wait for a particular hours, then get out of the market. Do you understand? I do that. When market is telling me that, oh, this is a scalping stuff, you can't really ride much trend today because the market is not going very far. You understand? So I scalp. Do you understand what I'm saying? So now this is a swing, a very, very swing trade at higher time frame. Be it bullish or bearish, is a long-term trade. That is higher time frame. Now let's go to our lower time frame. Right now, currently, in my lower time frame, in my H4, the market is telling me bullish. The market is telling me bullish. So because this is the H4 candle and is rejecting this very level here. You can see we have structure. The structure has been rejected here. Make a very fake breakout here before this bullish engulfment. Right? So it's rejected this level as well, this minor level as well. Then it's coming back to this area. They rejected this area. I want to see this H4 candle close. I want to see this H4 candle close below this level. I can take a buy. Then I'm expecting my TP here. This is another patient trade. You need to be very, very patient. So currently now, I want to buy. So this is where I'm looking for my TP. This is where I'm looking for my TP. TP2. This is where I'm looking for my TP1. TP1 is here. You understand? This is the TP1. Right? As you can see, the market is trading up already. So this is my TP1. Right? So you can see that is 40 pips. Then my TP2, like 120 pips upward. So I'm placing my SL here. This is my SL below the low of this. Below the low of this rejection. So right now, what is happening currently is bullish. Are you getting me? But the market tried to make a pullback. You can see that we make a call last week. You understand that we should buy. So the buy is still active. So, but it's gonna be a swing. You need to be. You see, there's a difference between taking a trade and managing the trade. After you have taken your trade, you are actually managing the trade. Is that you're actually managing yourself. You are managing your emotion. You understand? How are you reacting to the trade? After you take the trade, are you a kind of, a kind of shaking? Are you shaking? Are you scared? Are you thinking that your money will go? Are you so psychologically depend on how you are reacting to that trade. That is what will make you make your decision. You understand? If you are scared that, oh my goodness, my money is going, you can close the trade prematurely. That is what most traders don't know. Do you understand? You can close the trade prematurely. So this is why risk management is very, very important to understand. You must understand risk management. You must understand risk management. Very, very important. And what are you understanding in risk management is that, number one, you must not, over leverage. You must not increase your lot size too much to the extent that your money won't be able to absorb the pressure that the market is giving. That is how to understand the risk management. You get it? So now let's go back to my H1. This is my H1 right now. So now look at my H1. I have a bullish engulfment here right now here. So it already provides 26 pips for me, right? So it's going back to this Friday range, right? These are Friday range here. It's going back to this Friday range. Are you getting me? Remember, if I were you, I will not take the trade here. Right now, I won't take the trade here. Do you understand? Because there's probability that the market could, take a pullback to this level again, retest this level before heading up. But I'm very sure that it may be what? Bullish. Currently, it's bullish. You understand? And this is our what? This is our first point of interest. That is where reversal could occur. You can see we have a structure here tested multiple times. Don't forget, this is our market structure tested multiple times. It's resistance here. It's performed support here, right? Support here, right? Do you understand? Support here. So this price level has been tested multiple times. 1, 2, even this 3, 4, 5. Do you understand? So the market could get to this area and make a reversal. And we are looking for a break of structure. Anything that make the market break this structure here, up, right? Come back to that same level. It will break the structure, retest the level back, and then make a continuation trend. Do you understand? So you see, it is very, very easy to understand the market if you know how to analyze the market deep down, as in deep down analysis. You need to analyze the market before you can make a trade. Remember, even if you mix that trade, if you mix the opportunity, just don't bother yourself too much. You understand? Don't bother yourself too much. More opportunities is coming. More opportunities, more trades are coming. So if you have analyzed your trade and you actually miss the opportunity, then you can just wait, because look at, there is more to this bullish, because anything that can make this structure got broken and retest it, then we are going to this place. So from here now, from here to here, it's about 100 pips. Can you see that? So you can actually make your money through here. So why are you ignoring? So we want to, it is not compulsory that you must trade every blessed day. You understand me? It is not compulsory. It is not a must to trade every blessed day. Some days you will not trade. You just be looking at the market. Analyze your market, mark those structures, the levels, and where there is potential for reversal, or where there is potential for a break of structure. So this is how to analyze your market. Are you getting? And remember, There is no strategy that is what? That is 100%. No strategy, no trading strategy that is 100%. And no mentor that is 100%. Your mentor also lose money. I get it, but it is so, you know, it is so so terrible that we traders, we most time, you know, get on top of our emotion. Are you getting me? Get on top of our emotion. You know, maybe because of what you have heard, like the sweet mouth you have heard that you will never lose in forex. It is not possible. Just like doing other businesses, there's no how you will not, you know, come across some challenges. If you are selling cars, there's challenge there. If you are selling part of cars, there's challenge there. If you are doing any business that you are doing all over this world, there is challenge. There are some times that there will be drawdown. You understand? There are some times that there will be massive profits. It is normal. It is normal thing in life. Are you getting me? So if somebody is telling you cannot lose in trading, it's lie. But if you know what you are doing very well, you can actually profit much more than you lost. Much more. That means if you understand it very, very well. If you understand it very, very well. So now, currently, the cable is what? Is bullish. Is bullish. Is currently bullish. But this structure, this area is very, very is a very, very technical area that you don't put the trigger yet. Let the market, because the market maker will like to, you know, reverse back to this, maybe probably this area. I don't know, probably this area. Are you getting it? But I just want to see a reverse because I want this 1 hour time frame to this candle to get closed. Are you getting me? Then make a reverse for me, a pullback for me. I want to see another rejection somewhere here. Another rejection. I want to see something like this candle somewhere around this price level. That is from 1.21 to 1.21 to 1.213. So I want to see a rejection, a candle, a bullish engulfment, something like this, before I can take the trade, because I want to be I'm pulling the trigger. I want to pull my trigger at a very valuable area. You know, that is, I want to look at the area of value, because the market right now is not showing me any kind of sign that I can take the trade, because it is far longer than expected. 40 pips. So I cannot put my from here to this place. To me, it is too much for me to put my TP. Sorry, I lost internet there. I lost internet there. Come on. So it is, oh my goodness. Sorry, my internet. So it is too much for me here, you know, to put my TP around this. I mean, to put my Excel around this level. It is too much for me. So I have to wait right now. I have to wait for a kind of pullback. And I've marked this structure. I've marked this structure now, this area, and I've marked this area. So if a pullback can get me to this minor structure here, then I see a rejection, then I can take a buy. Are you getting me? Or if it comes to this level here, I can can also take what? A buy. But I want to see a pullback, because this one hour cannot just go like that. There must be pullback. So I'm waiting for a pullback before taking my buy. Are you getting me? So now I can come to my 15 minutes time frame, right? Right now, can you see that? So my 15 minutes time frame is already breaking some structure here. 15 minute structure, already broken this structure here. Are you getting me? So the market may try to make a comeback like this. It may be tomorrow, it may not be today. Make a comeback to this level, then before heading up. A kind of something like this. Something like this. Right? So what I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to make sure that I don't have a big stop loss. I don't want to have too much big stop loss. You understand? Before taking this trade. So I want to take a trade at a very favorable price. at a very favorable price area. That is when I want to take my trade. You understand? So that is for cable. Same thing applied to, you can see, same thing applied to Euro USD, the same thing. The same thing applied to AUD USD. You can see AUD is going here. This is very clear. You know, this is crystal clear right now. It's going here. Do you understand? Then our Euro USD is going here, and it's going here, right? That is where our structure is, and then structure 1, then structure 2 is going here. Before we can say that, okay, oh, this is going to, you know, it's good. There's going to be a possible reversal. So where there is possible reversal, here or here. So that is that. Then on our US30, you know, you can see US30 there is also a sell for US30, but there's going to be a, you know, maybe like a pullback to inside this area, pull back to this area before making some kind of rejection, then come back again. You can see just as it did here, make a pullback to this level. You can see to this structure area, then before turning down again. You can see that. So structure are very, very important. Very, very important. Don't forget, a market structure it can be defined as an area of our chart where support become resistant, or where we have multiple tests, resistance 1, resistance 2, it make a fake out here, a kind of fake out. So this is support here, a fake out here, this is another support here, and you can see this is another resistance, this is another support. So when the market get to this area, it make a change in direction, so then heading down again. So I'm expecting this to pull back to this area here, to this price area. That is 32.96, this price area here, before heading down again. So, and let's go to our lower time frame as well, because of time is going. So you can see it's currently bullish. So it can come to this. This is the area that we mark. It can come to this area. It will not be able to break this level because we already have resistance here, making it our structure. So possible reversal can happen here, down. You understand? Or it may be break of structure here, then up. Anything, but currently it's bullish. So you can sell right now. So you can go to your lower time frame. As you can see that it's going up. It may head. So there is we still have like 180 points to this level here. You understand? So it's still bullish. Short time trade is bullish, but this area is our point of interest where we'll be looking for a sell opportunity. So that is that for today, guys. If you like the analysis, just press like button, and if you have any question that you want to ask me, you are free to ask in our Telegram group. It is open group. It's open to everybody. You can send your analysis there. You can ask me question. I will answer you. But don't ask me premature question. Don't ask me either is it live, is it demo, whatever. Don't ask me that, because I don't have anything to prove to anybody. You understand? See, listen to me. If you fail, people will make jest of you. You understand? If you fail, people will make jest of you. People will abuse you. They will rubbish you. Are you getting me? But if you pass, people will celebrate you. Are you getting me? So just try to, what you need to do is to make sure that you improve yourself. Just improve yourself. That is what you need. Improve yourself. Compete with yourself. Make sure that you are improving every day. Make sure that you are good every day at what you do. Whatever you do, make sure that you keep on being good to yourself. Being good, because whatever you gain it for yourself. So do not ask me dull question. I'm so sorry to say this, please. I'm very, very sorry to say this. Don't ask me a childish question. Ask me a very technical question. Like somebody asked me a question there. Somebody asked me that, why did I take Go Trade? I think around last week, it asked me, why did you take the trade? What did you say? You understand? And I explained. And I think the person understand it clearly, what I'm trying to say. You understand? That is what I want. That is the kind of question I want you guys to be asking me. You understand? The group is open to everybody, so you can ask questions, you can send analysis, You can ask me. If I have the time to answer you, I will. If I don't have the time, anytime I have the time, I will surely answer you. You understand? So, and I wanted to know, in life, there is no how people will not criticize you. There is no how people will not make jest of you. There's no how people will not call you failure. Are you getting me? But that energy, you need that energy to continue, because remember, some people, those that, out of those that call you failure, they're actually getting something from you, but they don't want to show it. You understand? So please, guys, I really appreciate your support. I appreciate your love. Watch this video and make sure you understand it. If you have any question that you want to ask, you have to ask me. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Please don't over trade, don't over leverage. Patience, you understand? Patience with your analysis. Once you analyze a trade and your biases is telling you this is where it's going, pull the trigger. Make sure that you had SL. Don't trade without putting your stop loss. It is very, very important. You know, the best way to blow your account is to over leverage. Another best way to blow your account is what? Is to trade without putting stop loss. That means you are trading on hope. You are saying that by force, this trade must go to where you said it will go. But the trade is not like that. It doesn't, market doesn't, work that way. Are you getting me? Sometimes the market will prove you wrong. That, oh boy, you are wrong. Strategize your analysis. Go back to your drawing board. Recalculate, do it very well, and then come back to me. Do you understand? I've taken this from you. Just take it like that and go on. So move on and take it like that. That is it. That is how the market is. Are you getting me? No trader in this world that don't have some losses. There's no how. It is not possible. No trader is perfect. You understand what I'm saying? So thank you so much. Watch this video very well. Jot some things down there. I know you will hear some important message there. Just write it down and then practice yourself, especially how to market structure and levels. They are very, very important. Area of value, point of interest, and so on like that. You understand where to take your trade, where to put your Excel. This is very, very important. The money aspect of it is just the reward. You understand? If you get it right, definitely the money will take care of itself. So thank you so much. Let the market go with you. Don't fight with the market. Don't get angry. Don't get frustrated. Try to manage your emotion. You can't stop it, but you can manage your emotion. Try to manage your emotion and let the market go with you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.